Namaste and welcome to Design and Creativity channels. So my dear beautiful viewers, today I will show you how to make your own beautiful customized gifting candle. Yes, you can. You can write the name of your loved ones onto the candle, or you can write any message to them. You can wish them Merry Christmas, you can wish them Happy New Year, or anything you want with your name on the candle. So how to create that beautiful customized gifting candle? This is all about the tutorial is. So the required things are so the very first thing we need is this beautiful white candle. So this is a basic white pillar candle which I created yesterday night to make this tutorial. Okay, so other than this candle, what we need is some colored sketch pens. So here I'm having beautiful sketch pens, and then you need tissue paper. Okay, so here I'm using a very basic tissue paper. So I want you to take the thinnest tissue paper. We don't want to use thick tissue paper, the strong one. We just want it a very thin and very soft tissue paper for this to make this beautiful gifting creative candle. And the most important thing we need is this wax paper. So my dear viewers, I have purchased this beautiful wax paper. Everything seems to be very beautiful to me. Okay, so I purchased this wax paper from Amazon because what I found is it is not easily available in the market. And the most important thing is this hot air gun. If you are not having a hot air gun at your home, then you can use a regular hair dryer also, but it will take a little longer time to create the desired effect in comparison to this one. Okay, so that's it. These are the only things we need to make our beautiful creative candle. Okay, so now directly head on to the tutorial section and let's start making our beautiful customized candle. Come with me.